Hi again, this is Dr. Kilo of Good Hair, Good Body. Today we're just giving a really short presentation about just five of many examples of how food additives accelerate aging. And we're going to provide you some access to some short and long term solutions to mitigate the damage caused by food additives. We don't provide medical advice, only medical education. If you want medical advice, seek the assistance of your own medical professional. So, number one, food additives cause hormonal imbalances, and we see the manifestations of those hormonal imbalances as weight gain, hair loss, skin eruptions, such as hives, acne, reproductive challenges, as well as challenges in energy utilization. Type 2 diabetes is an example, but there are many other chronic diseases that are physical manifestations of challenges of energy utilization. There's also immune suppression. Food additives dampen our immune cells' ability to do surveillance and reconnaissance of invaders or mutant cells. So the end result of that is difficulty clearing infections and killing tumors and cancers. Moreover, food additives can be incredibly irritating to cells and tissues, resulting in inflammation and tissue dysfunction, cellular dysfunction. In addition, anything that skews our hormones will skew our intercellular communication, particularly in our nervous systems. So that shows up as increased anxiety, depression, headaches, and more, including muscle tension. Some manifestations of food additives in our nervous system include neurodegenerative diseases. Basically, neurons actually degenerate. Alzheimer's dementia is an example, but it's not the only example of neurodegenerative diseases promoted by food additives. Neurodevelopmental disorders in young people and children and babies also are a manifestation of food additives. ADHD is just one of many examples. And in addition to all of that, we have increased tissue degeneration from the inside out. So our cells degenerate, not just our cells, but the machinery of our cells degenerate. And part of cellular function is clearance of waste. So if your cellular machinery start to degenerate, they're not going to be able to clear waste from even inside the cells. That stuff accumulates, is toxic, and it disrupts normal cellular function. So you won't be able to heal properly. And anytime you can't heal fast, you will age because eventually cells will just die because their machinery will become dysfunctional. So we have a number of solutions uh, to these issues, both short term and long term. Remember, short term solutions support the long term solutions, but they're not the complete answer. The long term solutions help you fix your own health from the inside out. The long term solutions will be educational. So, how do you access them? We're offering a free download of our product guide. Our product guide is free. Um, and the only thing you have to do is do a very quick download, watch watch the videos. They're not that many. I think there are maybe about four of them. You can watch them by yourselves or with your family or in friends. In any case, uh, we have a number of videos for the short term solutions, which are all topical, meaning skin and hair care, beard care. But remember, these are short term solutions. Short term solutions only support long term solutions, they are not fixes, okay? They support the long term solutions. Our luxury gift boxes are basically a collection of products that solve specific problems, whether it's acne, um, aging skin issues, razor bumps, um, repelling insects, we have you with all of that. And if you want to smell more alluring, whether you're a man or a woman, we have a solution for each gender as well. You can also pick your products a la carte. So if it's an acne issue and you only want one product, or your budget only allows you to get one product, we have some suggestions on the right side of the screen right here, in the amber colored slide as well. Now, for your long term solutions, all of those are going to be education and strategy. So, we have a demonstration class here for you. It's how refined sugars promote accelerated aging, and we have some strategy in there for you. If you want the entire course, you'll get Fat Addicted and Aging Fast. And if you want the total expanse of all the knowledge on how to slow down the aging process and by detoxifying your system, you'll get the Detox Trio. If that's not for you at this time, I would strongly recommend you get in on Medicine Behind Beauty. And the video down here on the lower, I guess, left corner will be that. It will give you a synopsis of what we teach, how we teach it. And remember, in Medicine Behind Beauty, we give you the highlights, but in the courses, we give you the nitty gritty, the long term strategies that help you achieve your health goals from the inside out. It's not medical advice, it's medical education. The easiest way to go about securing these products is to order them yourself. Tap on the digital product guide, tap on whatever you're interested in, learn more about it, and then you can purchase it straight out of the guide. Uh, but what I will say is, if you want to go somewhere fast, you may go alone, but if you want to get there fast and get there solidly, securely, and achieve that goal and stay in that better state, you'll go there collectively. So it's in your best interest to purchase these products as an extended family, or as an extended friend group, or even as a business. Okay, because the healthier your employees are, the more productive they can be, the happier they'll be, the more productive they'll be, and it makes for a better work environment all around. We do have installment payment plans available, so all of our products are obtainable, okay? Whether you're doing it alone or doing it as a group. And again, just simply tap the link in our bio or below to gain access to this free digital download. It's worth your time. It's only 8 pages, but it's jam packed with uh, access to short term and long term strategies to help you improve your own health. And it's only available through goodhairgoodbody.com. Thanks for sharing a bit of your time today. Let us help you. We do so in layman's terms. And in this current environment where access to medical care, medical education, access to um, sound insurance for medical health is a challenge, more is on you to improve your health and the health of your family. You can reach us on social media sites at YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. And then there are a few others. You can go directly to our website at goodhairgoodbody.com. But the easiest way to get to these products is just to download the digital guide. See you soon.